Hello Fluffies, my name is Joelle and you're watching the channel Fluffy Kawaii Jo, where I try to show you that everybody can be kawaii. Today I will organize my super messy color or accessory organizer for Lolita into all this. So this is part of my new studio thing, and I have outgrown those boxes. I have 7 of them, one for each color, and this is one of the busiest one. Like especially all these here are so cramped, and actually I cannot see what I'm looking for anymore. So my idea is to take all the small accessories from there and put them here and keep all the big headbands, headwear and socks in these color by color. So let's do it. Yeah, let's start with the pink. It's the biggest one, and I'm not really sure how to do that exactly. I have to look. I guess I can hang necklaces here. Here I can put rings. I don't know. Yeah, I do have rings. Maybe I can put some of the pins too to have some holes. Here I have a pocket. And actually you won't see the bottom. Let me show you the bottom. I have tons of little holes here to put stuff and a lot of hooks. Maybe when we go to other colors we realize we don't have space and we move things around. We'll see. Okay, on this table I have organized everything by type, like separated all the rings, all the clips, everything different, and then I'll try to put that in the frame. I'm already seeing difficulties. I'm trying with the rings. There are 7 different lines, so I thought that's perfect for all my 7 colors. But then some of them are too big and they take extra space, so I don't know. I'm super organized and I want everything to fit in one box, but I don't know if I'll manage to be satisfied, but we'll see. Having big rings myself here is not helping me to put it in the small holes, so maybe I will get rid of them for now. Seeing how stuff takes space so far, I think I will have enough for my rings there, and I started putting my pins here. I'll show you. And my buttons here. So I think I won't have enough space for all my hair clips in there. So far I had split like that in each of the boxes. I had one for all the stars, one for all the flowers, and one for all the bows. And I think I'll continue doing that. So there was just this one that was so cramped. So actually in this box I did not get rid. I got one of these back, I guess. And also I have all of these big, like medium-sized brooches, and I think I don't have that many earrings, so maybe I'll find a way to hang them there. Like I need to find some hooks or something. And in that case, I don't know if the bigger ones, like these, if I will also find space or if it will be too big. If I do find space, I will put them there, and then here I will put all the flowers back in one. All the stars back in one, and all the bows back in one. That's not ideal because I still don't see them all in there. Not very easy to see everything that's it because I have a lot of bows actually. Maybe you can do the small socks here and this box here. This is also a small one, and the bigger socks and the tights here. Now I have more spaces for head bows. This is good to reorganize because you see that, for example, I don't have almost any head bow in pink. And you will see after that my mint one, I have like tons, but I don't have that many socks. So this is kind of good to see where I'm at. I have a few of the wrist cuffs here. Well, it's not that it's more organized. I mean, this jewelry part is. Okay, let's do the rest. Okay, in the min box I had all this that I need to sort out. And you can see all of these are head bows or her dress. Most of them actually are the one from the dresses that are like special sets. Okay, I think that what I will do is that I will put all the necklaces in one color on one line, and then I can have all the different colors. Okay, the rings that we're wearing, let's put them there. Again, a few accessories left, we'll see after that. And so, do we need to reorganize stuff here? Those are big, they will be in the middle anyways. I need mint socks, I guess. And I don't remember, I have a huge number of mint dresses and most of them from Jake Pretty. So I do need more mint socks. Maroon! Also a few more things left. I have only like one clip, one flower, but I guess since I don't put really the other ones there, I guess I will put them all back in the box. Navy! Navy, I have a lot of those brooches and rosettes that I will also see for the fate later. This is the mixed color accessory box. Okay, next. White! For white you can see, this box is totally full with her dress, totally full with the ivory ties and totally full with the white tights. So those are all the bows, those are all the wrist cuffs, those are just 2 flowers, and here's the mess. So let's clean the mess, but I don't know what I will be able... My goal was to be able to have more spaces for the socks, but I don't think that will happen, we'll see. I have this huge ring. I don't know if I will be able to put it and still close the mirror, let's try. Maybe. Okay, there's an issue to close it, but I don't think it comes from here. I think it comes from here. Maybe I need to make the area with all the chokers a little bit smaller. These are such a mess. I really need to find a space. This is some things that I put in my hair to when I do Christmas coordinates or winter coordinates, but I need to find a space. Maybe in this pocket here. That will be a good space. So make one show out so I will remember they're here. Okay, I think we're good for white. I have one big brooch, but again, no, I don't think I will be able to close it with that. So maybe, oh, I have this one. Maybe this one goes here somewhere, yeah. But this one definitely, I will keep it here, and I have one more necklace. Black. Last one, lavender. This is where I'm at. I have all the rings up there, kind of by color. I did not know really how much space I needed for each, so I guess I can space them out a little bit. All the necklaces, I think they're good like that. I can still see all of them by color. And then I have the pins on one layer and the buttons on another layer, and those are a little bit cramped, especially the pins, so maybe I can do like 2 layers of pins, and then that will leave me some space maybe down there. What's about here? Well, the thing is, now I have a bunch of things. Okay, let me show you. So here I have all the chokers, and here all the bracelets. Also, I think it's not too bad like that. Maybe, yeah, maybe there were a little bit too many here, so I can just maybe space them out a little bit. We'll see if I can not close it or not. So I guess down here I can put a few of the brooches that I have left on there. We'll see. And here also, maybe, I don't know if I can put pins in that and use that space here to put stuff. But also that space here is not that big, so I don't know. Okay, I think for now I will just reorganize a little bit how I think, and then it's a work in progress. I guess I can always change things up later to make it more convenient for me later. Okay, something that I will say is that it is definitely more easy to see all my accessories, to pick them, especially the rings and the necklaces and the pins. But I did not free any space up there because maybe I freed like one square that was so small, and then I could space out a little bit the things. But okay, so this is good to be able to see what I have, but this is not good because I needed more space for the socks. So maybe I don't know if I should go back then to what I did before, like put all the socks together and all the headbows. No, I think I have too many headbows. I don't know, guys. I have another video where I organized my closet and I switched to all the headbows, all the socks to this color thing, and I took the idea from Lolita Wonderland. Rosalind, she showed me how she did, and that was a super good idea, but then I think I outgrew that. So please let me know how you organize your own Lolita wardrobe, and I want to know in the comments, and maybe that will give me some idea. So thank you so much for watching, and remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye bye!